Filipino Inventor Society, specialist in obstetrics and gynecology, OB-GYN, ultrasonography, specialist in nutritional and environmental medicine, specialist in chelation and clinical metal toxicology, founding member of Philippine Academy of Medical Specialists, Alternative and Integrative Medicine Specialist, member of Australasian College of Nutritional Environmental Medicine, member of American College for Advancement in Medicine, member of Philippine College for the Advancement in Medicine, or PCAM, member of Philippine College for Integrative Medicine, and Homotoxicology Association for Research and Enlightenment in USA, volunteer doctor of Salamat Doc Medical Mission, ABS-CBN, the formulator herself, a trailblazer in health and science. Let us all give a big round of applause to Dr. Delia C. Maceda.
Kamusta QLife family? Good afternoon sa inyong lahat. It's truly an honor to be here, and my heart is full seeing both familiar faces and new ones who have become the very building blocks of Q Pilipinas. Each of you contribute to our sacred success, and for that I am incredibly grateful. To our wonderful new conquerors, a huge congratulations and a heartfelt thank you. You're now part of our growing family, and I truly hope you'll embrace our beautiful mission to bring both health and abundance into the lives of so many. Let's continue to lovingly support Sir Moises and his amazing team. Every project, seminar, and event that they organize helps us reach even more people with the goodness of Continuum Plus and Miramin Q+. So thank you for everything you do. I truly hope you'll have a wonderful and inspiring time at our event today. Thank you very much.
So, maraming salamat po to the President of Dynamics Global Corporation, Dr. Delia C. Maceda. So, Dr. Delia, and joining Dr. Delia is once again our VP and our President for a photo op.